Intro. Right, we need to do a new intro. Pause. Hey, don't subscribe, dude. Wait for me to say. Hey, wait a minute. I noticed you haven't subscribed. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button before you continue and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you. Update is I have no job. My last interview is this week. I honestly don't think I will pass. They'll grill me for 5 hours. I don't know about that. For the past week, I've been talking about this project with my friends Jay, Ethan, and Zin. The freaking backend tech stack, bro. Zin is on the backend and he insists that we use Rust. So we have our backend in Rust. You can use Next.js both for front and backend. That's true, but we need speed for this thing. I'm gonna tell you guys a bit of what we're building, but not the whole thing because it's not official yet. We're basically gonna build a search engine. Don't reveal your idea. Now it should be fine. Like the idea itself is not like the important part. The important part is the team. I think we have a really strong team right now, right? Me, Zin, and the two others you guys don't really know yet, but you guys will get to meet them soon. But we have a really strong team, on paper at least. So the idea, it needs to be attacked and it needs to be iterated upon. It could change. The idea could change completely. So I don't want to say the entire thing right now because that's not what I'm here for. I want to start building the front end right now. Basically, the idea is a search engine. Let's say you use Notion. Let's say you use Discord. You use Google Drive. You use Dropbox. You use all of this, right? There's a lot of text you need to find. Sometimes you don't know where it is. Maybe you wrote your hash map notes in your Notion. Maybe it was in like some code in your Discord message you sent. Maybe it's in your Google Drive because you like writing code on Google Docs. I don't know, you're stupid. So you don't know where it is. And we're going to provide one search, really quick click. And that's going to find everything. So let me just show you guys a bit of what it looks like in Figma. So it's gonna look a bit like something like this. Really quickly, we made this up. This took like 1 hour to make. It's a really simplistic search bar. I have this issue where I need to find some stuff and sometimes it's my Discord messages. Sometimes it's my Notion pages. I just want one click, boom, finds it, click it, boom, opens. Would you guys use this? Let me poll in the chat right now. I'm gonna send a poll in the chat. How would that work permission wise? When you go to the app, you have to accept. You have to connect your Gmail, connect your Notion, connect your Discord, whatever integration you want to connect with. And once you accept to connect it, then it's gonna work. Obviously, there's a privacy thing going on here, but I'm just telling you guys about the idea right now. We'll figure out the privacy stuff later on, but obviously you guys trust me with your privacy, right, chat? One in the chat if you would trust me with all of your data, chat. Who you think I am, chat? Mark Zuckerberg? What the f? You guys don't trust me? Okay, so the majority of you guys would use this. So whoever voted no, why? Like, why no for you guys? This is pretty specific for user with more than 2 applications. I only use G Drive and OneNote. Okay, let me write down some stuff you guys are saying. Would not use reasons. Boom. We have people who only use 1 or 2 apps. That's fine. I think that's completely fine. Oh, this is different from Raycast. The difference from this with Raycast is Raycast doesn't show you like text. You can use it to find stuff and like play pause Spotify. You can't find text. Like you can't find a Notion page. And like even if this already exists, like it's okay. We just have to make it better. We have to add some AI to this as well. Like you guys know. I want to use a website version. Yeah, so it's going to be a website like to begin with, but obviously the product itself is not going to be website, right? So it's ideal is you press a button like control space. It opens this search bar on your screen and you can search directly. Yo, look at Notion, okay? I have to open Notion and then I have to wait for all this bullshit to load. I have to open this taskbar and then I have to click search. Then I have to type hash map and then it has to load and find the hash map and then I have to click on it. This is like 10 fucking steps. So what I'm saying is just control space and then you search hash map. It appears, you click on it, it opens it. Even if you're just using Notion, like the one single app, me personally, I would use this. Have you researched into Alfred? What is Alfred? Okay, so this is Mac only. See, this is also looking for apps. This looks like another version of Raycast. Watch Raycast add this feature. It's fine. We're just going to be better than Raycast. That's all. I think for this, make sure to think about whether the popular apps have APIs in place to expose this stuff. Things in the cloud might be blocked by the app themselves. I think the most difficult thing would be Discord because I don't know if Discord has one, but I know Notion does. In fact, Zin, right? You guys know Zin. He's already making the backend right now in Rust. Yes, in Rust, and he already has the API connected with Notion. So we already have Notion working. How would you source Notion information? Would you have to integrate with a lot of external APIs? Exactly, Wong. Like you would have, as a user, you would have to connect your account. You have to give us permissions. I think this is very useful for enterprise teams. Yeah, so the goal is to do this for customers first, because I know me, I would use this, right? And I know a lot of you guys are like me. We do similar shit. So I know you guys would probably use this. And as showed by the poll, 60%, 70%, you guys voted yes. The people who voted no, can you guys tell me why you voted no? I just saw one person say, I guess privacy is one, and if you only use like 1 or 2 apps. Will it be free? We have no idea about the pricing right now. Like, we just want to get something working. This looks like a HTML5 template. What do you mean, bro? Zen whipped this up in like 1 hour, and you're telling me this is bad? This is simplistic, minimalist design. It's so good, right, chat? The best use case is for collaborations. So we're thinking about customers first, and then to small to medium-sized businesses. Like at Facebook and Google, they have this. They literally have a search like this for all of their internal shit. You know, these big businesses, they have the search. They don't want to give it to us. Well, we're just going to make it ourselves. And then we can sell it to small to medium-sized businesses, as well as like you and I. It could be free, right? Free to just you and I, like customers. And then once you guys use it and feel, oh, this is actually good, this is useful, and you propose to your manager, like maybe we can use like, you know, Pan's app for our business. Your first product be macOS app, like try coffee, because you guys are going to have issues with trust. One thing that will make it more trustworthy maybe is the fact that like I'm building in public, right? Like, you know, I'm not just like some anonymous person. You could find the founder on YouTube, right? I'm here on YouTube on Stream Live. So it's like you can see me. Like I'm not some anonymous hacker that is just going to use your data and sell it to people, right? I think it gives it more trust. From what I'm gathering right now, the privacy thing is the most major concern. Would you have the option to filter the search by specific app? Probably not. We want this to be simplistic, minimalist, and free of noise. Maximum speed with the Rust backend and shit. Open source is the best way to go. Open source like is fine, like if you guys want to help us. I don't know about that yet, but the data itself will be secured, right? Even if it's open source, the data itself will be very secure. Would you use the integrated search APIs of a platform like Gmail, Discord, or would you store all the users in your own database? We don't necessarily need to store in a database. We probably need a cache. For speed to be good, we probably have to do some caching. He would be scamming Slicker, bro. Oh, get him back for it. Privacy, man, we are in America, not uptight Europe. That's what I'm saying, bro. I'm kidding, bro. Privacy is our #1 concern. Okay, one more thing I gotta ask you guys. What do you think about our name? Zin thought about this name, Mentat. Do you guys know what this is? A Mentat. 1 in the chat if you fuck with this name. 0 if you don't fuck with this name. Mentat. Horrible name, mental illness. 0. Damn, you guys don't fuck with this name at all, bro. Yo, Sin, are you looking at this? I told you, Zin. Oh my god, this is really bad, bro. That's the most consensus we've had so far. Okay, the other name I thought about, chat, is Rocket. You know, like Rocket. A Rocket search. With 0 for Rocket too? What about Bongo search? What if you just name it something really, you know, meme, like a meme name, like Zoom, right? Something that can go viral. Boing. Yo, Boing is actually... Yo, I fuck with Boing. What do you guys think about Boing? Yo, we're gonna get sued by Bing, bro. Just Boing it. So now we're getting sued by Bing and Nike. Let's think about some other ones, okay? Let's note these down. We have Mentat, our Rocket. Then now we have Boing. We have Zap in the chat, and we have Quick. What else you got, chat? Show me your creativity, chat. Come on. Cat. Neutron. No, I can't name it Zuck, bro. Zugo. He name is, imagine it. Go Gold, bro. Dingo. Yo, I fuck with Dingo, bro. Index. Oh, something that references the search methodology. Yeah, like something index, right? Index. Index is a bit corny, but it makes sense. Proxy. Enter. Prim. Bob. Yo, I fuck with Bob. I actually fuck with Bob, bro. But I'm sure this is taken. Bob search. Bro, Bob search. I fuck with Bob search heavy. All right, we're gonna put a poll up. I'm gonna put a poll up. So startup name. So we have Mentat, Rocket, Bongo, Index. We had Bob, Keck search. Bro, wait. Let me see what it looks like. Keck search. Pog, Dingo. Here we go, chat. Vote. Let's see it. Yo, bro, I can't believe Index is winning so hard right now. This is the unexpected underdog. Bob and Keck, bro. Bob and Keck are going at it. Yeah, we don't have enough people voting, but it does give a bit of an idea. All right, thank you, chat. Appreciate it. We'll get back to you guys in a week. We only need a simple design like this. We just do plain CSS. That's stupid. Okay, I think this works really well, chat. What do you think? The 300 milliseconds is really good. Like, imagine if I'm searching hash map, right? I want to see my notes for hash map implementation. So it's not searching. Yeah, see, it doesn't search until I write the entire thing. No, Jasmine. Yo, welcome. Welcome, Jazz. Jasmine, let me change my app name as a sign of respect. There we go. Yo, Jasmine is actually a fire name for my app. Maybe my project is gonna call Jasmine. How is this? How is this looking? Clean.